so-called bulldozer justice questioned by the top court. In some scathing observations, the court said properties cannot be razed just because they belong to a person accused of a crime. A bench of Justices B.R. Gavai and K.V. Vishwanathan said, and I quote, "Even if he is a convict, still it cannot be done without following the procedure as prescribed by law. If construction is unauthorized, fine. You are saying demolition only if violation of municipal laws. But it seems you are following it more in breach." Unquote.
So Supreme Court has asked for a guidelines, complete guidelines they are going to frame on the next date of hearing. Without following the due process, without hearing and giving notice, etc., no action can be taken even if the construction is illegal. So they have to follow the law and they are going to frame a guidelines.
The Supreme Court, however, clarified it will not protect any illegal structure obstructing public roads. The court was hearing two pleas filed on the issue of such demolitions that were alleged to have taken place without notice and as a form of revenge. While the BJP claimed that bulldozers have never been used in an unfair manner, the Samajwadi Party hit back, saying that justice has finally been served.
उत्तर प्रदेश हो या अलग अलग राज्यों में बुलडोजर की यह कार्रवाई विधि की परिधि के दायरे में हुई है। जहां कहीं भी अवैध निर्माण है, अतिक्रमण किया गया है, तो निश्चित तौर पर उसको विधि की परिधि के दायरे में ही बुलडोजर के द्वारा गिराया गया है।
बुलडोजर चलाना अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल था। क्या न्याय का बुलडोजर चल गया?
Over the last few years, there has been a rise in bulldozer action against accused across several states, especially in UP and Madhya Pradesh. Many have raised questions over this approach.
The Supreme Court says it will ensure that pan-India guidelines will be followed for bulldozer action and that the law of the land must be followed. The big question is, will this ensure that states will comply and stop rendering bulldozer justice? In New Delhi, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.